Hey everyone, welcome back to the gaming family. Today, let me show you how to fix the issue where the finals won't launch on your computer. Let's start by opening the control panel. Let's press the Windows key and search for it. Set view by the category, then go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Find your network, right-click it, select Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, use the following DNS server addresses, and enter this. Click OK to save changes. Next, in Steam, go to Settings, then the Downloads tab. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. This will restart Steam. And then make sure that your Windows is up to date. And that's basically it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.